Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to show how you can upload the links or blocks in NotebookLM to read the information. So, let's say for example, you are reading some articles in Microsoft website. So, you are going through some articles and you find this article interesting. So, it says our 2025 responsible AI transport report, how we build, support our customers and grow. So click on it and you see an article here. It's a very long article. All you need to do is click on it, copy the article, go back to NotebookLM and click on create new to create a notebook, and here you see an option called website. Okay, click on website. Now it is asking us to paste the URL or the link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste the URL here. If you want to paste multiple URLs, let's say for example you want to read multiple blogs, not just one article. Microsoft has released maybe 3 articles or 4 articles, so you want to read all articles at the same time. All you need to do is copy links of multiple articles. See, copy it and then go back to NotebookLM and paste the link here. So you have 2 links now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on insert. Okay, I'm going to click on insert. If you see now, the articles have been uploaded in NotebookLM and it is ready. So you can say, can you summarize key points from the sources, let's say. I'm going to hit enter. Okay, it says Microsoft's key points across the provided sources highlight its strong commitment to RAI, its operationalization across the company, and its application in specific high impact sources like healthcare. So you can read all the important details like this in a couple of minutes instead of going through all the articles from the Microsoft website. It's not only about Microsoft website. You can insert any link. Maybe you are reading some interesting blogs or articles from any other author. You can just copy those links and you can insert it, and it is going to give all the important details from those articles. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.